In this video, we're going to look at how to freeze different panes. So first off, you want to make sure that you have A1 selected because you're telling Excel where to start. And then up at the top, you'll have your different tabs. So it'll naturally be open to Home. We're going to go over and click on View. And then right here says Freeze Panes. So you have a couple different options. So you can either choose Freeze Panes, and that does a certain selection. So that's doing this selection right here. I don't use this a ton, but if you want to look more into that, you can, and I'm happy to help you. So the next option is freeze top row. So if you select that one, that freezes your titles or whatever you have in that first row. You can then select unfreeze if you want to take that off and you don't want it, you want it to be back to normal. And then the last option that's on my computer is freeze first column, which would freeze your student IDs. So this is helpful when you have notes way over here in column like AC, and you want to be able to scroll over and see them and still know which student you're looking at. And then, like we talked about earlier, you can always unfreeze by just clicking unfreeze, and that takes everything back to normal. Hope this was helpful, guys. Thank you.